Kuzuzangpo and welcome back to Dspace Bhutan. In this video, we will learn about teeth whitening within 1 minute. To begin with, open Photoshop. Click on Open and select the required photo from your specified location. As you can see, I have opened a photo of a lady with yellow teeth. To begin, let's zoom in. Now select the lasso tool and make a rough selection around the teeth. After that, unlock the layer and click on this icon and select Hue Saturation. Adjust the panel and choose Yellow from the menu. Now to remove the yellow color, reduce the saturation and you can see the magic. To make it better, increase the lightness. That's it, and you can see the change by turning the effect on and off. Don't forget to like the video and do subscribe for more tricks and tutorial. Thank you.